you interested in the stock market and you want to learn more about stock market trading and earn profits? Then you are at the right place. GoPhoenix.com helps you to learn about the stock market and how to make money in the stock market. You can learn about margin trading, option trading, stock trading, and earn profit with live personalized classes every Sunday, and that too just for ₹999 on dev.gophoenix.com app. Now, you must be wondering, what is this GoPhoenix? Then let me tell you. It is an AI-based finance assistant to manage and grow your wealth. They cater to the individuals and small-scale businesses. Their objective is to provide unbiased, consistent, and transparent services like portfolio management, ITR, GST, and other advisory services or legal business registration services. They provide many more other services. Go and check out their app and avail those services. And yes, don't forget to use my channel coupon code, which is ANU. This offer is just for first 100 customers. So what are you waiting for? Go and check out this app. For more details, read the caption below.